Alright, this is a legit first for me. Now, while I've shot black powder revolvers quite a bit, I have never shot a muzzleloader. Seriously. So this is it. This is my first time. My uncle gave me this. My Uncle Pete gave me this several years ago. Actually, when I first got into black powder, before less lethal and all that, he gave me this. I never shot it. I got it out a couple of weeks ago and like cleaned it out and everything and checked it. So I think it's in pretty good working order. Now, again, not my thing. So I'm using FFG powder, and got this little powder thing here. So I'm gonna put, it's not very much. So matter of fact, that's a very light load, like in a 44. So I'm gonna put 3 of these in it. That's still probably only, I don't know, 30, 45, something. Yeah. Where is my caps and stuff at there? Hold on, fellas. I started to do this in one place and then I realized that the lighting sucked worse there. I have watched this done on TV and that's about it. So apparently you take one of these here patchy things, put it over that there barrely thing. Put that in there apparently. Well, that was easy enough. Okay. Yeah, I missed the first hole. Great. Ye old cap. Yeah, this is a pipe dream. Maybe not. That's pretty cool. Let's try another one. I have no idea where this thing hits. Right there. That's where it hits. Dead on. I was trying to hold up on it. Apparently, my uncle had it sighted in. Doesn't surprise me. Alright, let's try this once again then. See, this is only fitting on Thanksgiving. This thing's kind of fun because yeah, you only got one shot, but it takes a lot less time to reload one shot than, you know, like 6. Boy, she hits hard. Alright guys, it's DK Spencer. Like and subscribe, son.